LATICRETE, the leader in tile and stone installation materials, is proud to introduce the new Hydroband shower pan and 4-inch by 4-inch Hydroband bonding flange drains. These Hydroband products are part of a complete system providing a waterproof installation that is backed by the industry's best warranty. Hydroband shower pans and bonding flange drains offer you enhanced design options with optimum performance. Handcrafted in the USA, the Hydroband shower pan is constructed of high-density polystyrene. Enhance your next shower installation with an attractive Hydroband bonding flange drain in a brushed, polished, or oil-rubbed bronze finish. Key features of the Hydroband shower pan include: the pre-sloped ready-to-tile pan eliminates need for traditional mud bed installations. They are lightweight and durable, making them easy to transport and handle during installation. They can quickly and easily be modified to size on-site. They are approved for steam showers or steam rooms. They work in conjunction with LATICRETE tile and stone installation materials for a complete waterproof assembly and available lifetime system warranty. The new Hydroband shower pan allows for installation over a variety of substrates. Please consult the product data sheet for full installation instructions. Here, we will show a typical installation over exterior glue plywood using a Hydroband shower pan having a center drain. First, locate and mark the center drain location. The substrate will need a hole to accommodate the drain fitting and waistline when the pan is installed. The hole will need to be 6 inches or 15 centimeters in diameter. Ensure that walls are square and plumb for proper fit of pan. Do not leave any holes in the substrate other than the one for the waistline connection. Holes left from tub replacements and unused waistlines need to be filled and structurally sound to meet substrate deflection. The LATICRETE Hydroband shower pan comes with the following items: a Hydroband shower pan, Hydroband sheet membrane to cover the shower pan and curb. In addition, you will need the following components, which can be purchased separately to complete the installation: Hydroband board and screws for the shower walls, Hydroband curb to fit the longest side of the pan, 1 tube of Hydroband adhesive and sealant, Hydroband sealing tape, 4 Hydroband inside corners, 2 Hydroband outside corners, 1 Hydroband pipe seal, and 1 Hydroband mixing valve seal. The new shower pan offers a significant time savings over traditional mortar bed installations. The walls can be completed using Hydroband board and screws to complete a waterproof, ready-to-tile enclosure. All you need to do is install the Hydroband shower pan with sheet membrane to cover the pan and curb, wall board, bonding flange drain, and then waterproof seams and penetrations using the existing Hydroband sealing tape sold separately. Alternatively, the seams and penetrations can also be treated using Hydroband sealing tape for steam room and steam shower installations, or liquid applied waterproofing and/or Hydroband adhesive and sealant for standard showers. The Hydroband bonding flange drains are available in both PVC or ABS waistline connection. The Hydroband shower pan comes in 5 center drain sizes and 1 off-center drain for tub replacement. The 48-inch by 48-inch center drain pan is also available in a 1-inch thick barrier-free version. The Hydroband shower pans are site-sizable using a utility knife or a circular saw. You should always dry fit the pan and drain connection prior to the start of the installation. Apply a thin set, such as LATICRETE 254 Platinum or similar, to the substrate using a 1/4 inch by 3/8 inch trowel, and then skim coat the back of the pan. Install the pan, ensuring that the Hydroband shower pan is fully bedded into the thin set. Check that the pan is level and apply weight equally across the pan for 30 minutes. Apply a 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch, 6 to 12 millimeter, continuous thick bead of Hydroband adhesive and sealant into the rabbet joint of the Hydroband shower pan. Using 1/2 inch, 12 mm Hydroban board, set the board into the sealant until you see sealant oozing out along the joint. Remove excess sealant using a margin trowel, ensuring a continuous seal at the joint. Fasten the Hydroban board directly to the framing per LATICRETE's installation instructions in datasheet DS040. Install Hydroban board screws at 12 inches on center spacing, starting 1 foot above the shower pan. All screw penetrations and seams should be covered with thinset and Hydroban sealing tape. Next, determine location of Hydroban preformed curb. Affix curb to floor by applying polymer fortified thinset, such as LATICRETE 254 Platinum or similar, to floor using a 1/4 inch by 3/8 inch trowel and skim coating the underside of the curb. Before setting curb in place, apply a bead of Hydroban adhesive and sealant to the lap joint on underside of curb and to the adjoining wall panels. Remove any excess sealant or thinset using a margin trowel, ensuring a continuous seal at the joint between the curb and the pre-sloped shower pan and walls. Apply thinset such as LATICRETE 254 Platinum or similar with a 1/4 inch by 3/16 inch 6 mm by 5 mm V-notch trowel. Press the Hydroban sheet membrane corners firmly into the thinset. Remove any trapped air and guaranteed full adhesion to the substrate by spreading the thinset from the inside of the corner out using a flat trowel. Continue with thinset around the floor-to-wall transition using a 1/4 inch by 3/16 inch 6 mm by 5 mm V-notch trowel. Overlap the corners by 2 inches or 50 mm with Hydroban sealing tape. Press sealing tape firmly into the thinset. Remove any trapped air and guarantee full adhesion to the substrate by spreading the thinset from the inside of the corner out using a flat trowel. Treat pipe penetrations and mixing valves by applying thinset such as LATICRETE 254 Platinum or similar with a 1/4 inch by 3/16 inch 6 mm by 5 mm V-notch trowel. Slide the appropriate Hydroban sheet membrane pipe collar over the pipe or mixing valve and press firmly into the thinset. The urethane rubber will seal around the pipe or mixing valve cover. Again, remove any trapped air and guarantee full adhesion to the material by spreading the thinset from the penetration out using a flat trowel. Apply thinset around the opening where the bonding flange will sit. Next, apply a PVC or ABS primer and glue to the waistline and the bonding flange female portion of the connection on the bonding flange. Install the bonding flange, ensuring proper fit to the domestic waistline and shower pan. Install the bonding flange drain in the opening. Press firmly in order to allow for the thinset to come up through the square openings, which will allow for a stronger bond. Install the Hydroban sheet membrane over the shower pan, bonding flange, and curb using thinset, such as LATICRETE 254 Platinum or similar. Apply thinset mortar with a 1/4 inch by 3/16 inch 6 mm by 5 mm trowel. Install the Hydroban sheet membrane onto the pan and up and over the curb, being sure to overlap it onto the inside and outside corners along the edge of the curb. Press the membrane firmly into the thinset using a flat trowel. Remove any trapped air to guarantee full adhesion to the substrate by spreading the thinset from the inside of the pan to the perimeter using a flat trowel. The hole can be cut in the sheet membrane after the sheet membrane is installed. Locate the vertical drain opening under the membrane and cut out around it using a utility knife, thus exposing the drain. Once the LATICRETE Hydroban waterproof membrane is dry, begin wall tile installation by applying LATICRETE 254 Platinum or a similar thinset onto the wall. Install wall tile into the thinset to the desired location and in accordance with industry standards. Once the wall tile installation is complete, begin floor installation in the same manner. Spread thin set onto the pan, working outward from the back edge to the front of the Hydroband shower pan. Install the adjusting ring using LATICRETE 254 Platinum or a similar thin set with a 1/4 inch by 3/8 inch trowel. Press the ring into place, allowing any excess thin set to come up through the square cutouts on the ring. Set the height of the grate by screwing it up or down as appropriate for the thickness of the tile. The grate should be about 1/16 of an inch lower than the surrounding tile. Complete tile installation for the rest of the pan and curb. After the tile is installed, complete the installation by grouting with LATICRETE SpectraLock Pro Premium Grout or LATICRETE SpectraLock 1. These new Hydroband shower system products provide a quicker, easier to install option for shower installations. Designed to work in conjunction with other quality LATICRETE materials, the entire installation is backed by a comprehensive system warranty, providing you peace of mind and insurance. For complete installation instructions, installation details, and other information, please visit www.laticrete.com.